Crittenden County, Arkansas is included in that tornado watch that Kit just said there, and that's where we will find ABC 24's Desmond Nugent, who is just off of Highway I-55 and Martin Luther King Jr. Boulevard. Desmond, how are people in the area getting ready for flooding over the next few days? Because we know that's going to be the big problem here.
Pepper, this is exactly what a lot of people here in West Memphis are concerned about. Lots of water, which is causing flooding, not just throughout neighborhoods, not just throughout gas stations, but just throughout the area. I'm just off of I-55 Highway and MLK Boulevard, and as you can see, the water right now is just below my ankles. I'm a little over 6'1", so that's probably a couple of inches of water right there. I did speak with the City of West Memphis Office of Emergency Manager, and he says that they're expecting about 8 to 10 inches of rain over the next couple of days. He does want to warn people, if you have to get out in this weather, to please be smart when you're driving. Again, there's a lot of water here. There's a lot of flooding that we've seen throughout the day. People have tried their best to get through here. We've even saw a car that was stuck here for a few minutes, but again, the City of West Memphis Office of Emergency Manager tells me that, again, please turn around, don't drown. Live in West Memphis, I'm Desmond Nugent.